just quickly, in a previous video, someone asked me where you're doing the coolant from on a KAD32 engine. So, on the port engine, it is these two pipes down here, you can see. That are trapped in a tie wrap up against the pressure pipe. We have little brass studs in the end. Just undo the Jubilee clip, pull them out, and the coolant comes out. And on the starboard engine, they are right down there. So a little bit gripping too, but you can get to them. And I believe that is the only ones. I may be wrong, but I don't recall seeing any on this side of the starboard engine or the port engine. So I will work on the basis that they are the only ones. So yeah, there you go. Just a quick little bit of information in case you're wondering.